Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Sofi, and today I would like to read the IPA text. For the text one is about mouse deer and crocodile. One day, mouse deer went down to the river to take a drink, but he knew that crocodile might be waiting underwater to eat him. So he said aloud, "I wonder if the water is warm. I will put in my leg and find out." But of course, the mouse deer didn't put in his leg. He picked up a stick instead and put one end into the water. Chomp! Crocodile grabbed the stick and pulled it underwater. Mouse deer laughed. Ha ha ha! Stupid crocodile! Can't you tell the difference between a stick and a leg? Then Mouse deer ran off to drink somewhere else. The next day, Mouse deer wanted to cross the river. He wanted to eat the fruits on the other side of the river. He saw a floating log in the river. He knew that crocodile log looked like a log when he floated. Mouse deer didn't want to be eaten by crocodile. When he crossed the river, he had an idea. He called out loud, "Crocodile!" Crocodile rose from the water. "Hello, Mouse deer. Have you come to be my lunch?" Mouse deer smiled. "Sorry, not today, Crocodile. I have orders from the king. He wants to invite all the crocodiles in this river to a party. He wants me to count all the crocodiles so he can prepare enough meals for you." "Really? Tell us what to do," said Crocodile. You, you must line up from this side of the river to the other side," said Mouse Deer. Crocodile then got all his friends and family. They lined up across the river. Mouse Deer then jumped onto Crocodile's back. One, he counted. He jumped onto the next crocodile. Two, and the next crocodile. Three. Mouse deer kept jumping until he arrived on the other side of the river. "How many just there?" asked Crocodile. "Just enough," said Mouse deer. He laughed. He ran into the forest. For the IPA text 2, it's about vacation 2 years ago. So tonight I would like to talk to you about my 2 years ago. My vacation 2 years ago. It was my first time traveling to the other province. Actually, I never gone out from my province because of short money. But one day my uncle bought me Peninsular Malaysia. We was we was taking flight from Sarawak to Peninsular Malaysia. It was a week I've been there. My first visit is in Pulau Langkawi that located in Kedah. At there I have been to the museum. The island of Langkawi has also had its own history and known as a woman named Mahsuri. Was the fairy tale says that Mahsuri was killed by a rule who deformed him as a slut. His death is well known that white blood coming out from the place that he being stabbed, and another Mahsuri fairy tale is also famous is about tujuh keturunan. My next destination is going to Monument Hill, Healing. I was been there for a little hour because the weather in Langkawi is terribly hot. It's been a while I hang out on there and my face just like a night. And my last destination is going to Kuala Lumpur. And my uncle is taking the train from Kedah to Kuala Lumpur. It's taking a long journey for us to arrive, and at that time I still trauma with the Busan train movie that has not too long been aired in cinema. I feel like there will be a zombie coming chasing me, but now it was film about zombies and it makes me feel uncomfortable. Actually, I would be comfortable if the zombie was a tall person that's going to beat me. Arriving in KL, I feel like a deer came into the village because it was my first time walking a metropolitan city in front of my eye. I was so tiny black and walking well black people and too many foreigners that in that city makes me feel like I was a foreigner too. But fortunately, I think that's all for me tonight. Thank you for us. Thank you for all the attention. And I love you. See you.